This is the Karcher test facility. See? It says so right there. And this is our chief tester, Stephen. Stephen doesn't get his own caption. Oh, fine. Here. At Karcher, we believe our range of tough vacs can tackle all of the jobs your household vac would run away from. To prove it, we put them through a series of everyday test scenarios, like this one, Scenario 83. The kids' sleepover got out of hand, and the fallout from the pillow fight needs clearing up. Off you go, Stephen. Look at that. Those feathers never really stood a chance, did they? And just one reason why you should never vacuum a duck. Thank you, Stephen. Any problems? Then let's see how you get on with this one. You've opened a kitchen cupboard. And a big jar of jam has fallen out. Stephen, you know what to do. Good work, you powerful little cleaner. Not you, Stephen.